So this is a 1-year-old Acer Predator Helios 300 with the 1660 Ti graphics card, and as you can hear, I'm not a gamer. I don't play games on this laptop. This is mainly used for trading stocks. I have 4 monitors hooked up to it, and it doesn't really take a beating in terms of gaming. So as you can hear, the fan is making incredible noises, and this is after sending it in for repair. The first time was 3 months after ownership, so this is about 7 months later, roughly, give or take. And it just kept getting worse and worse, and this today it's just it's terrible. Currently, it's running at its based RPM settings. Now, if I was to increase the RPMs, this goes away. You can still hear it a little bit, but it sounds like the bearing is going out on that fan. I bought this laptop because it was recommended to me by Dave2D. He's a great laptop review YouTuber. The laptop itself works really well. It's very fast, very good combination. Thermals are good, but man, this fan is not very good. Just a heads up.